Hello dear students, today we are going to start new chapter of EVS 2. That is lesson number 12, the siege of Purandar and the treaty with the Mughal emperor. Siege means already we have seen. Siege means army round a place to compel surrender. Means around the fort, around the Purandar fort here, army has set to defeat Shivaji or surrender Shivaji. The siege of Purandar and the treaty. Now here treaty means what? Agreement. There was an agreement between Shivaji and Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. About that we are going to see in this chapter. Raid on Surat. First point we are going to see. Raid means sudden attack. Shivaji has put raid on Surat. About that we are going to see in this point. After the triumph means success, Shivaji did not sit idle. Idle means lazy. Aurangzeb's troops means group of soldiers were laying waste the whole of Maharashtra. Means Aurangzeb's group of soldiers, they were troubling the people of Maharashtra. They were troubling to the women, harassing the people. To bring the emperor to his senses means to cause him to return to normal, means behave properly. Shivaji carried out his daring raid on Surat. Surat was so far away from Pune that no one but Shivaji could have thought of this daring raid. Surat was then a great center of trade in the Mughal Empire and a very rich city. Trade means vyapar, buying and selling goods, that is called trade. And Surat was a great center of trade, means there trade was going on of cloths, gold. It was very rich city. Shivaji carried out the raid successfully and brought home a booty worth lakhs of rupees. Now, booty means what here? Valuable stolen goods. Goods like cloths, eatable things, gold. These things worth means price. Means Shivaji carried out raid on Surat and brought from there booty worth lakhs of rupees. Means lakhs of rupees things he brought to the Maharashtra from Surat. Shivaji did not forsake ethics in the raid of Surat. Forsake means what? Give up. Ethics means morality. Means in this raid, Shivaji did not give up his morality. Means he never touched the woman, never troubled the peoples. He spared the churches. Spared means save. He saved the churches and mosques. Whichever mosques, churches were there, respectfully Shivaji has saved. He has not destroyed it. Mosques means masjid. Muslim people, they used to go to mosque, means masjid. Means Shivaji has treated women with respectfully. He has given respect to the women. Next paragraph, the raid on Surat draw Aurangzeb into a furious rage. Furious rage means what? Very angry, extremely angry Aurangzeb was now. He now decided to put an end to Maratha kingdom. He ordered his great general Mirza Rajay Singh to humble Shivaji. Humble means make someone seem less important, means to defeat Shivaji. Aurangzeb has sent his general Mirza Rajay Singh. To assist Mirza Rajay Singh in the campaign, he sent with him trusted Sardar Diler Khan. Means Aurangzeb with his great general Mirza Rajay Singh, he sent his trusted Sardar. Who is that? Diler Khan. The two landed, means set on the land in the Deccan, means south side. This both person went with a huge army and unlimited funds. Funds means money. Swarajya was in real danger because Diler Khan and Mirza Rajay Singh with a huge army and unlimited fund they took and came towards the Deccan. Immediately after he returned from the expedition of Surat, expedition means what? Journey. Shivaji came from the journey of Surat in 1664 AD. Shivaji Maharaj heard a sad news. Now 1660 AD. AD means what? See, long form of AD is Anno Domini, means only this word is used in dates counted from the traditional dates of Jesus' birth. Jesus means Yesu Christ. After the birth of Jesus, dates are counted in the AD. In 1664 AD, Shivaji Maharaj had heard a sad news. What it was? Shahaji Raje had suffered an accidental death on or while on hunt. Accidental death means what? Death caused by accident. Means here Shahaji Raje has went on hunting and their accidental death is by some accident. Shahaji Raje had died. Shivaji and Jizabai were greatly grieved, means they feel deep sorrow. Holding his mother close to his bosom, Shivaji Maharaj consoled her. Bosom means what? Chest. Consoled her means what? He has supported her, that he told that I am there. We'll look after the Swarajya. Means after his father died, he has supported his mother. Next point we are going to see, that is the siege of Purandar by the Mughal army. Means Mughal soldiers, they have put the siege to the Purandar fort. About that we are going to see. Purandar was one of the Shivaji's big and strong forts. Diler Khan knew that Shivaji could not be defeated as long as he was the master of Purandar. So after all, Purandar was the fort of Shivaji. He was the master, king of that Purandar. He therefore laid siege to the powerful fort. He had a huge army under his command. Murarbaji was in charge of the fort. Murarbaji was in charge of the Purandar fort, means he was looking after the Purandar fort. He was a determined fighter, means strong-minded. Determined means what? Strong-minded. Like this, he was fighter who would never easily yield to the threats. Yield means give up. And threat means what? Warning means easily. Murarbaji never give up. He was a strong-minded fighter. He was also supported by a brave troops. With their help, Murarbaji decided to defend the fort. Diler Khan's guns went into action. Fiery cannon balls means, cannon means what here? Large gun, and balls means that gode, topechi gode. Firing means burning strongly. Like this, the cannon balls began to drop on the fort of Purandar. Murarbaji and his men held on, means they continued. Held on means they continued to fight. The first bastion on the Machi collapsed under gunfire. Students, what means bastioncy? Bastion means buruj we say in Marathi, and in English it is a protective place on the fort. Means Machi is there, on that only this bastion is there, and this bastion, it was collapsed, destroyed by the gun fire. Students, you can see bastion picture is shown here. You can see that bastion here. Diler Khan troops captured the lower fort, means downside part of the fort. Diler Khan's troop, they captured. The Maratha withdrew to the upper fort. Means our Marathi people, they went upper side of the fort and continued the fight. Diler Khan was watching the battle from his camp. Camp means tent. Nearby Purandar fort, their camp was there. In that camp, Diler Khan was there, and he was watching all this battle from camp. Remaining part we'll see in next video. Today whatever I have taught, that you have to read. This is today's homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.